So today we're installing new shelves into the caravan. When we got the caravan, it obviously came with shelves in one side only, which I'll show you, which is Rob's side. Just turn around. So it come with two shelves in his side, where my side, we'll climb over, has no shelves and just this useless hanging space up there. So today we went to Bunnings, we got some premium plywood. We're going to cut it down. We got the little hinges to put in there and hopefully we can get it installed today. How many shelves will you get out of that one bit of?
Well, you only need two.
Yeah.
So.
Could possibly have a third? No?
No.
No? Not happening?
No.
Oh.
If I've got two shelves, you've got two shelves.
But I could put a shelf somewhere else.
Probably best we just start on the first two shelves, yeah?
Yeah, maybe.
$320.
Which is outside. What should I say? 320, 630.
320 and 630. The first shelf is like down here. That's where your first shelf is. Which is. Do you want that much room? Or what are you putting up in here?
Close.
Yeah, but what type of clothes?
Wouldn't it be better if you've got them the same?
Yeah.
The same as that one?
Telling you it's dodgy.
It doesn't matter if it's dodgy. What matters is functionality. Is that the correct word to use?
Oh, if that's what you want to call it.
That means that you don't have to give up your side of the caravan.
I'm never going to give up my side.
The problem with helping your husband cut the wood, so let's see if you can see it. I'm covered in sawdust. Luckily I don't have to go out in public anywhere.
This is dodgy as I can't believe you.
There we go. So, why am I not happy about you drilling onto the table? What did you do last time you renovated the caravan?
Well, you see, we are a caravanning YouTube channel on a budget. So, I tend to do things a little bit dodgy.
Yeah, but what did you do to my table?
I may have put a little chunk in it.
A little chunk. The size of it!
She'll be right.
So, no more chunks, yeah?
I cannot confirm nor deny such actions. I may not do it, I may do it.
And just like that, I have shelves.
And just like that,
I've got shelves.
Oh, put a screw in that one.
What has the saying go about a happy wife?
Yeah, happy wife. Sweating husband.